Hello Kitty. May see? Ah, Hello Kitty nga. Yan, Hello Kitty.
$21.99, almost 22. So you have a choice. You can grab that one and then use your Coop money.
You back?
No.
Hell?
No? Or you want me to buy it for you?
Ayan, maganda yan, Be. Hello Kitty. Be, may I see? Saan ba yun?
About everything else, which one is your favorite?
What is that? A pig. Pig, Be? Pig. Pig.
Kailan ako mo?
Oh, ibak mo na yan.
Look na.
Ah, baby, ano?
Bag. It's a bag.
Ah, bag. Ayan. What is that? Oh.
Do you want this to be new?
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna have a mushroom. I'm gonna have a mushroom latte.
I'm a little mushroom.
Wow.
Saya-saya yung madam. Look at this.
Oh,
So this one, stretchy one. Have a look at this.
oh, look at this stretch ball.
Nice talaga ay bebing.
Oh,
Oo, no? Tapos, ang mahal-mahal na.
Ano pa, may nakita. Dito mo siya matulog ko.
Wow, si baby. Tapos may flower pa ba yung bedroom mo? Come back, back na yan.
You have your old room. Do you want to sleep in your old room now?
Namumulan na to eh. Maganda yung violet na.
oh, it says,
Mushroom.
Ito na tayo nila. Ala siya! Ang dami niyang gusto. Nilakap mo na lahat.
Look at this.
Candy cat.
Well, now it's,
Nice talaga, no? Sanrio Bio. Alis.
That?
Oh, cute na cute. Tubi, oh. Nice, Ben, oh. Yan. Ang ganda, oh. Ha? Lala, come here. Oh.
my little.
What is that for?
It's for my,
Keep this theme, so it's all gonna be mix of many things.
yeah.
I will remember.
And this is also cute.
We're gonna do shopping when we get the new ones, alright? That's cute.
But I
Maybe even after your birthday. Because it
The
takes
hat
time.
too.
It takes time to buy a house.
and I have two.
Who knows? Just ask Papatis to accept it.
Oh,
Kasi yung tatay
masaya-masaya.
na ibenta
This
na.
is a cat that what should I have?
Wow.
So the cat that goes there.
Okay, what's that?
Pupuno yung bahay.
I found a hidden
Hidden tour.
Ibak mo na yun sa down na yun. Ang dami talaga.
Where you got it from?
Wow.
It's hidden, Laura. It doesn't even have a...
No, it's not hidden.
Where is it?
Oh.
So you really want this one?
Yes.
Do you think you deserve it? Don't put it
No, no.
Alright.
Look at lightning.
100%? You don't want to...
Yeah.
Bona?
Actually, no.
This one is good. You can use it as your pillow.
Yeah.
Whilst we're waiting for the new house.
Yeah.
And then when we get the new house, you can decorate your room. That's it? You don't want the cinema roll?
Let me
Dahil na naman ako, inuwi pa ako. Pero maganda rin niya kasi binayad namin sa ticket sa loob.
Oo nga. Wala pa bang labobo doon? Sa ano
I
talaga?
don't want this.
Oh.
Ready?
Palitan mo na itbag o na ng ano ron?
Okay na yun.
Oh, sige.
Okay, 100%?
Okay.
Oh, happen na. Oh, water. Think now. Then you think it is, look at me. You think I'm blinking. It's nothing. Lara, look. I will make Lara. Look at this. Lara. Look. Okay. So, make a decision which one do you like. What?
Okay, this. I will put it on the... I already had water.
Ano na, bebe? Like that, be matro yan eh.
The water's getting too much.
Hold. Magic. Gapay na si Baby Lala. Si Hello Kitty. Yan na. Wow! May Hello Kitty. Ay, tinakbunan niya. Ay, Diyos ko. Wow, tuwang-tuwa. Ay, what do you say kay Mama? Oh.
Nadali mo ako ah. Saya-saya nyo.
Ayan na, nabili na nila. Ay, no, tuwang-tuwa siya. Wow!
Nadali. Yung labubo niya.
Ay, yung labobo niya to. Ay, Ginoo, naguga. Diyo tratong ako nga ra. Sa tuwa, Laura. Sumaya siya dahil walang labobo.
Paalala,